You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drive belt used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching the video 5 Things to Know When Changing a Drive Belt. This helps explain the key role that this part plays. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the terminal from the negative terminal. Loosen the stud bolts on the passenger side wheel. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. To change the drive belt on your vehicle, you need to remove the passenger side wheel to gain full access. Remember to slide the wheels under the vehicle. You then need to remove the front mudguard on the right-hand side to access the belt accessories. Using a T20 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws holding the mudguard. You can now take off the mudguard. You can now see the drive belt. The drive belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery. Yet it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor and sometimes the water pump. Using a 60mm spanner or offset wrench, loosen the belt by lifting the tensioner pulley. At the same time, remove the belt. Once you've removed the belt, take a metal rod. Using a 60mm ring spanner, loosen the tensioner pulley and block it by inserting the rod into the pulley to lock it in place. Next, using a socket wrench, an extender and a 13mm socket, unscrew the screw holding the tensioner pulley on the inside of the pulley. We recommend removing the screw using a magnet so that you don't drop it. Remove the pulley.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk, parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Get the new pulley and put it back in its place. Rescrew it in using the socket wrench from the first operations. Take the new drive belt. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To put it back in place completely, lift the tensioner pulley to remove the locking pin. Then release the pulley to tension the belt. Before starting your car, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Put the mudguard back in. Reconnect the battery. You can then put the vehicle wheel back in place and lower your car to the ground, not forgetting to fully fix the wheel in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.